buildings, houses, condos, apartments, fences. All of these things have one very important thing in common, and that is they don't belong sometimes. Maybe they do belong, but it's not my place to say. The important thing to remember is that sometimes they need to be destroyed. However simple this may seem, I assure you, there are probably loads of people out there who perfect the craft. The simple craft of just tearing stuff to pieces and maybe, I don't know, stealing pictures and saves and whatnot. The important thing to remember is that some people, probably not you, do it for a living. And it's important to remember that those people are, in fact, people. They are people too. And you just, the sooner you get that through your head, the better off you're gonna be. And it's not a bad thing. It's just, it's completely irrelevant because we're playing Teardown, okay? We're playing Teardown, not listening to me yap about the social construct of people tearing stuff down. It's Teardown. We're playing Teardown, a voxel-based tearing down. You blow up stuff, okay? Look at this. Look at it. It's breathtaking, and it looks freaking fantastic. It's the best-looking game I've ever played. And I'm yelling. I'm yelling. That's how much I love it. We're going to play it. We're going to play it right now. We, collectively, you're going to watch me, but I'm going to play it, and we are going to, it's a shared experience. We're going to play it, and we're going to have fun. We are going to like it when I play it and you watch me. Okay, we're going to do that, and it's going to be good. Gotta love it when you boot up the game only to pause the game because you got other stuff that you need to do. Alright, so pay no attention to the top left of the screen. Editor, put me over there. Just over there, over there, over there. Stop. Back. Perfect. Pay no attention to this. There was nothing up here. I have never played this game before in my life. Yeah. Let's listen to the lovely sounds of Dwayne on the roof. Anyway. Whoa! Huh. Where did all these come from? Yeah, I've never, on my mother, I've never played this game before. Something's weird. Got a lot of tools that I didn't know I had. Hey, editor, we're probably gonna have to cut this out. So just, you know, we're not gonna use any of this. Not gonna use any of this. We're just gonna dive right into the first level of the game. Am I right? Whoa! Wow, this game looks gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so what do we gotta do? Destroy Gordon's insurance papers by dumping his brand new safes in the water. Safes feature a moisture alarm that triggers in contact with water or rain. Oh no, that's bad. Because it's raining. So I feel like I could do this pretty easily. So what I do is I go for this one, and yeah, I grab this one, dump it in the water, and then I grab this one, and then I grab that one. All at the same time. It may be child's play, if I'm being completely honest. Right, so it doesn't help that there is rain everywhere on the outside of this place. I've never played before, so this is absolutely gorgeous. You know, I've never played. It sounds so beautiful inside. Right. Going up. What do you mean? Going up? Oh, shoot. Oh. Damn, okay. Going up. Tell me where you're hiding. Whoa. Alright. Ah, come here. Whoa. Oh no. Editor, censor this. This is, oof. Ooh, this is a little bit more than I can bear. This sounds like a very comfortable bed. I especially like how it goes under my feet. All right, see this? This is a dumb thing. What is this? This is a safe, heavy safe, primary target. Now, this is the tricky part. In case you haven't noticed, this entire out is wet. And that thing in there, this dumb abomination, basically C-3PO reincarnate here, it has a moisture sensor. So if C-3PO gets wet... Actually, what does happen when C-3PO gets wet? Sensor alarm. The cops are gonna come if C-3PO gets wet. Jeez! Whoa! 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 This is very important. Okay, so we gotta get this thing over to this thing, which is probably what they call a puddle, and then we gotta dump it in. Okay, but this thing is very heavy. How do I know this? Well, just by looking at it and calculating that it's probably a little bit. I'm built different, right? I'm just very intelligent like that. Basically, we just need to make sure C-3PO and all his friends don't get wet. And get them wet and big wet. Just make sure they don't get little wet. Make sure they get big wet without getting little wet before they get big wet. Pretty simple. Oh, well, that's not good. So my question is, are these things explodey proof? Yeah, they are. They are explodey proof. Wonder. C-3PO.
I am C-3PO. You.
Oh, don't kill. Oof. Ah. Stupid frickin'. Oh, my bad. Get this stupid frickin'. Ow! Fuck! What is happening? Whoa! 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 Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Man, that got scary. Okay, so in order to not waste... Oh, hey, the elevator. Ooh, the elevator. So that's what happened to the elevator. Whoa, whoa, not again. Not again. Not again. How dare you, you stupid piece of... Get down in there. You caused me far too much hardship. Get that out of there. Whoop. Oh, okay, I thought that would make a little bit. Oh, whoops, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry. Yep. Not sorry about that. Alright, come on. C-3PO. C-3PO. Come on. Okay, what is this? What is this? Yeah, I'm not sorry about that. Alright, yeah, this is not going very well. Okay, C-3PO needs to come with me. Y'all come with me, C-3PO. Oh, well, we're standing him up. Roar. 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 Oh, wait. I'm a genius. Yeah. Oh, wait. Ah! 3PO's. I'm a genius. Oh, I'm a genius. If this does not work, grab it right there. And flipsy-doozle hosens it. Ah! Whoa! Oh, there we go. Kind of got a smackering of progress. Smadger-dig. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Go down the hole. Go down in the hole. The fudge. What fudge you doing, boy? Get down in the hole. Down in the hole. Down in the hole. Man. Yeah. Idiot. This is all because I accidentally made a hole and I didn't want to waste a pipe bomb. Sorry about that. Not sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry. Not sorry about that. Yeah. Continuing to not be sorry. Up. Wait, hold on. Nice. Down. Nice. Yeah. I'll make sure to use this in the future. We'll set this right here so, you know, we don't forget about it. And this one right here so we equally don't forget about it. So, then we're gonna flip C-3PO. Nope, we're not gonna. Alright, you know what? C-3PO is gonna go down. Dang it, why does it gotta be like this? Yeah, this is going very well so far. Whoop, whoop. Oh, Shysta! Sorry about that. Ooh. Okay, alright, come on, C-3PO. Come on. Alright. This is good. No, this is alright. This is okay. Pew, pew. Oh, come on. Come on, boy. Nice. No, hey, we did it. We did it, and the house is actually still fine. So, for what I see us doing is rolling our good pal here underneath this all the way over to there, and then maybe we could get the Arnold over there. I don't know how we're gonna get the third one over into. Oh no, yeah, I do. Yeah, and that one's gonna be easy. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go take this shotgun, yammy and brewy, and then get that stuff out of there. Oh wow, I summarized that perfect. What are you looking at? Piece of fucking get out of here. Sorry about that. Sorry about this. Yeah, I thought I upgraded the shotgun to have like 97 bolt. I mean, the shotgun should have a little bit more ammo, I think. Probably be a good idea to make a shotgun have more ammo, don't you think? I'm gonna flip this thing overhead. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ugh. C-3PO, you are one hefty boy. Oh, yep. Okay, this is gonna be tricky. This is gonna be very tricky because I don't know how we're gonna do this without, dying. I'm a genius. This is working so much better than last time. I mean, it's working. Get out of here. At some point in time, the guy who's building this place is just gonna have to. He's just gonna have to hire. He's just gonna have to get some kind of anti-theft nonsense going, because this guy's losing so much stuff every time I come here. I mean, I've only been here once, actually. Whoa! Stop! Don't move! Don't move! Well, actually, you can't move, but I'm assuming that you can. So how in the world? Ooh. I just had an idea, man. There's one thing that I don't like more than a discreet job. It's a conspicuous job, but, this truck is going to serve me well, probably. That is, if we can open up the back of it. Okay, what are you talking about? What is that? What the frick you talking about, bro? Alright, where's this other one? It's in here? Open up. Wow, that one. Oh, dang. Something tells me this thing is not supposed to be driving back in here, but... What? You got all excited for a sec. Alright, so this one's gonna be This is Arnold. Man, Arnold's a lot smaller than C-3PO. You think, it'd be the other way around, right? But hey, I don't care at the end of the day. And, I mean, I know it's kind of sad to hear, but I just don't. What is this? What is that? I don't know what that was. And I don't really know why anyone would make something so stupid. Alright, so we're gonna get rid of that. Whoop. That's tragedy. Okay, alright, here we go. We're gonna go down in here. Oh, perfect. Alright, now we're gonna roll you back in here. Yeah. No, this is perfect. Why do I get the feeling that's a bomb? Alright, yeah, let's go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna quick save right here. And then we're gonna pull out here, and hopefully it doesn't count as getting wet. Oh, I'm a genius! Oh, no. Oh, wait, oh, no, oh, wait, no, there's a hole. No. Shh, don't cry, Arnold. Don't cry. You can terminate something else later. Yeah, someone really needs to fix that. Hold on. I'll fix it for you, Arnold. Yeah. 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 There's no way anything will get through that. Yeesh. Not more than a few minutes on this job, and I'm already patching up this guy's lousy trucks. I don't know who owns this stupid place, but, like, he really needs to, like, start taking better care of his property. Because, like, it's like the worst, stupidest, dumbest property that I've ever robbed from. 3-4 times. I mean... Guys, I have a confession to make. I have a pink mug. Right, anyway, on a completely unrelated note, let's continue to rob this place that I've only ever robbed once. Right, so, actually, hold on. How in, the name of Johannes III am I supposed to get that thing up into this thing? So here's what we're gonna do. Put this right here, and we're gonna put that right there. Then we're gonna roll C-3PO. And we're basically just gonna, like, load C-3PO up to the max.
Later.
You're pissing me off. You're pissing me off, Safe, if that even is your real, actual, given name. I wanted to call you C-3PO, but, like... Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attach it via plank. So if I start driving backwards... If I start moaning back and start moaning forward, oh, it drives it along with it. Scheiße. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to quick load. Back to when I was doing this. All right, so, yeah. aren't you glad I saved now? I mean, I don't know if you weren't glad, but if you weren't, yeah, screw you. All right, bring me the plank. I'm going to snag it on the back there. And then we're going to quick save. And then we're going to drive it on forward. Shasa. No, C-3PO. Yeah, apparently that ain't gonna work. What if I attach 2? If I attach 2 to you, yeah. No, how about 3? yeah. What about, oh, I don't have 4. Never mind. Well, what about 3 whole planks? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at how much better that worked. Hey, I done took care of both of them. Now, this is a good idea, I think. How am I going to get this one? Uno momento.
A few moments later.
All right, after racking my brain and searching up some online tutorials, I don't know why I'm doing a southern accent, we're going to go and just survey what the heck's going on over here, and then we're gonna make a rational decision because we haven't even seen what's over here. And I was thinking about taking the crane, but we're gonna take the crane after we survey, because apparently it's very, very smart to survey what you're going to do before you actually do it, right? Because if you don't survey it, you're basically just an idiot, and I didn't know that, you know, and I'm gonna come out and admit it. So, essentially, what we gotta do here is yoinkity-sploinkity, Dave, we're gonna call him, out through this window. That was a very easy fix, and if I had just been, I don't know, not seeing what this was, I would have thought of something, like, much more complicated, when it's just so simple, where you just quick save, and then just throw it out the window. You load quick save, and then you pick it up and throw it out the window. And forget all about the other two things. And then you grab, quickly, you grab a sports car. And you start driving. And you bumper, watch where you're going, asshole. And then you drive over here. You drive and you hit the ramp. And then you end up in the guy's bedroom. Sorry about that. You go in here, and then you figure out that it's probably through the floor, and you drop down through the floor, and then you sprint like all hell to the truck, and then you do what you remember to do, and you just kind of you drive forward in a very terrible fashion, and you get out, and then a safe lands on top of you. And you forget where your boat is, and there, oh yes, no, you don't forget where your boat is, oh, you see the helicopter, helicopter's coming for you, and you gotta, it's gonna be close, it's gonna be close, it's gonna be close, it's gonna be close, oh! Yeah, and you drive off and flick him the bird. Wrecker, I got a wrecker achievement, even though I didn't wreck anything. I said this game was beautiful. I kind of meant the game was kind of, drop dead gorgeous. That's what I meant. Yeah, anyway. Just thought I'd let you know. I do think it's kind of cool, though, that my house... I'm home! Bomb! Oh, yeah. I do think it's kind of cool that you're in, like, a railroad shed. Just gonna go in here real quick. Oh, what a lovely little bedroom I got here for myself. Overlooking the sunset. Full stop.
That little blood hit me again. You wouldn't believe the mess I came home to. It's gonna take weeks to clean up, and the insurance company won't even pick up the phone. I've had it with Lee. It's time to show not to mess with the big boys. The chemical plant is Lee's life, and I'm gonna put it out of operation. The power plant is the heart of the whole facility, and I want it gone. It's this dirty beast, but I'll provide you with the proper firepower to take the main generator for good. God, take out the main generator for good. Also, take out all the auxiliary power plant. It will be shut for a long, long time. To also take out the fire. Hey, are you available for a job? I've been talking to the folks at Evertimes about replacing the food court with a new parking garage. I really want the job. And if the food court, disappeared, it might speed up their decision-making process. So I was thinking, tonight, while everyone's focused on Lockell Parade fireworks, it will be a great opportunity to do something about that building. Lockell Home Guard have been using the mall parking lot as a staging area before the parade. You might find something useful there. Cheers, Anton. All right, Anton. All right, well, I'm aware. Let me... Yes, side mission. Ooh. Covert chaos. All right, well, what if I went back to his house? Hear me out. I went back to his house and then destroyed his house all over again. Sound like a good idea? I think that's a good idea. Complete in less than 30 seconds. I see. It's a racing side quest. Well, that means that it should be pretty easy to, I don't know, not destroy everything. Wait, what? I'm a god, I guess? I came, I beat his record, and then I left. Ooh, a monster truck.
I love you, but I love this monster truck. I want to take it home with me. And suspensions. I knew his suspensions was going to be terrible. Dunk. No damage to anything, not even the tires. Monster truck. Anyway, so we leave. That was great. I actually thoroughly enjoyed doing that, sort of. Anyway, so now that I just came in and just completely just owned that guy and beat his stupid record, I think now is a good time to go to the mall. Prepare carefully, then rest in the van. So what we gotta do is we gotta go over here. Oh, food court. It's that blasted food court. Well, I don't know what they're talking about, man. This is actually a pretty nice little food court. Yeah, no. Walk on the tables real quick. Anyone in here? I don't know. I don't know if that's the men's or the women's. I still don't know. I'm just completely confused. Ooh. And
STRV 103.
This is a Swedish dev. Yeah, all right. Rest in the van. Right, okay. Come here.
STRV 1.
Fire one there, and then fire one there. Actually, and then use the
STRV 103.
to fly, apparently. Come on, boy. Yeah. This is definitely the ticket right here. Oh no, but all good things must come to an end, I guess. Ow! I don't even know what I did. Yeah, give me that rocket launcher. Oh, what's that? You think you can just come here, get away from me. Hey, wait! But I basically killed him! Well, I should have quick saved. Okay, well, I'm glad that it doesn't quick save. That's nice. Prepare quick. Alright, didn't mean to do that. Right, so we're gonna just put this one right here. We're gonna put them all like next to each other. No. That's exactly what they want you to do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one and we're gonna put it over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire 3 rounds into that side of the building, drive through the building, and then pick up that one, and then fire 3 rounds and then drive through this side of the building. And then after we drive through this side of the building, we're going to use the last HSTVL to fire into the remaining bits of the building that we missed. If we missed any parts of the building whatsoever, that is. I think, actually, we'll save that one for something. What's going on in the big mall? That's my question. Let's see if we can't find anything. Hello? Do you have anything in you? I'm gonna give it a thorough shakedown outside just in case. That is, unless it just defies my logic and all that. You're gonna make me do this, huh? Oh no, it's on fire. Hold on, I got a better idea. Oh! Wunderbar! A giant box. Oh! And explodey pipes. Probably should have went with the explodey pipes. Maybe we just grab the pad back. Nope, that's not good. We're gonna have to hand maneuver all of these. I would throw them out, you know, being a lot easier, but that would be a bad idea. Because when you throw them, they go kablooey. Ah! Something like that. Yeah! Don't even whisper. If you whisper around them, they might explode. This might take a while. Well, three bombs. That's nice. Whoops. Yeah, this is the timeout closet for sure. Disgruntled McDonald's employee.
I don't like how we make food.
All right, come right here. Go in there. Never come out. What? Can I come out later? No. All right, well, now all we gotta do is turn on the stove. Ah! Yeah, turning on a stove would be a bad idea. Oh, this is where the money's at, right here. Shysta. All right, well, quickly, two away, up and away, web. This is where all the magic's about to start. All right, HSTVL away. That corner, center of the building, other side of the building. We're gonna drive on through. Come on now. Let me give a giant whoopsie daisy. No, why did I get off on this side? What the hell? Alright, put one on that side of the building. One on that side of the building. And then one on that side of the building. And then drive on through. Come on. And then we're gonna get one more for good measure. If we can get out of the... This thing explodes. What exactly will happen? Okay, yeah, we're not gonna test that. Got two more. One there. One up there. And one right. And we're out of that. 6. Give me 6. Start throwing pipe bomb. Oh, bombs. I forgot I had these. Ah, well, hello, stupid, dumb copper person thing. Stop. No, it's not what it looks like. What we need to do, I feel, is go inside, yeah, and then we need to blow out the entire bottom of it, which I feel like we did pretty well. Shoot off that side, and then basically bring the top down so we can just hit it with a bunch of trucks. Middle, other middle, and then start shooting inside. No. Okay, hit the outside. Hit the inside. Make sure we're gonna go all the way around this thing. Should go. Unless it gets stuck. That'd be a tragedy. Just Back up on in there and pull back on out of there. Turn on a dime. Unless that happens, that would be catastrophic. Oh, I see how it is. Get this side. All right, well, that's been nice. Throw that right there. Throw that right there. Keep throwing right there. Start putting... Boom. Ah. And then start hitting them with the minigun. Come down, I say. Why? Why are you like Ah! Yeah, get that one right there. That was not very good. We're gonna wreck this front area here so we can actually hit it. Kerblunkus, kerblunkus, kersplunkus. Forward up in here. Come on now. Come on now. Boy, am I glad they gave me a tank. This is nice. Alright, well, here we go. Alright. Now we're gonna drive right on through here. Fire. There we go. That one's a much better hit. And then we're going to start rocket launchering. And then... boom. Throw that up there. Throw that up there. Why? Why? There's nothing bad happening. Well, what a... See, this is how I think malls should always be enjoyed. Literally nobody in them. Save like 2 or 3 people. Yep. Basically, if you cannot hear that noise right there, it's too loud. And I can never hear that noise whenever I'm in a mall. So that means they're just too loud. Yep. Just broke that. What is this? Cool. Alright, we're just going to quick load because I didn't find anything that was worth finding. And we're going to go... And we're going to try something a little different. We're going to go straight into this dang thing. And we're going to blow up. Let's get this off first. Right. Oh, wait. The minigun does a hell of a lot more damage than I thought it did. Go along the outside. I said go along the outside. Minigun's actually very... Knock down the floor. Yeah, that always helps. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I found the strat. At least for getting the second story down off of the second story. Yep. Oh, yeah, there we go. I saw a lurch there. And then throw pipe bombs up there. That's not good. That's not good. Get out of my way. Throw that up there. This is actually working a lot better than bomb. Just put bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. HSTVL, come to me. Put bombs. Oh, wait, no, the roof. I found out the problem, officer. Yeah, you're right. I need to hit the roof first. So, what I need to do is I need to do that whole minigun strat, in which first I take this part of the... Take the bridge down first. And then I get up here. Start taking out that side of the wall. And look at that. Just kind of move to the side a little bit. Right, okay, that went very well. We're gonna throw there and take this and then just throw it up in that corner. Right, this is good. Aim for the most amount of mass and then bore a hole right through it. Bring down the roof. Put that right there. Alright, well, now we gotta put some bombs on the outside. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, wait, no, we're out of bomb. Oh. Throw this over here. No! Ah. And herein lies the problem. No matter how much damage I seem to have done to it, it always, always, always manages to... we gotta rest in the car first. We gotta make sure that we take off the roof first. Not just the middle of the floor, just that we start at the top and work our way down to the bottom. So we're gonna throw a pipe bomb. Nope, that's not the way you do it. Yeah, there we go. A little bit... sort of like that. Nope, that's not it at all. Start. Just start down here and then... oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's so beautiful. Alright, so now then we take pipe bombs and just start yoiding them. Yeah, pipe bombs are a little bit underwhelming, if I'm being honest. Grab that minigun back. Okay, grab my shotgun. Bring down the roof. Oh no. Oh no, this is not good. Okay, alright, well, we're gonna put some Why are you like this? No! Ah! It's not my car! Locking in. Damage. That's a lot of damage. I feel very complete when I do this. Here, let me see here. Let me just grab that real quick and then yoink. And then throw that up in there and then yoink it, doinkus. Bloinkus, skoinchkus, floinkstus! Yeah, that was a big one right there. Yeah, this is great. This is going great. This is going very good. Okay, now with all that done, we can just kind of, you know, just drive. Actually, let's just do the for it. Kind of. Why don't we? Whee! And then kablammo! I missed that entirely. Oh yeah. Grab again this one and then make sure I don't waste the shot. Don't get bogged down in the things that we cannot control. Oh no! I did it! No, no! Officer! Please, that ain't me! Get as much stuff on the first floor as we can. Alright, now, that's all over with. Now we're gonna put some bombs on the inside of this dish. Right there, right there, right there, right there. That was a terrible bomb placement right there. Okay, and now we're gonna HSTVL this dish. Come on! Tank, don't let me down. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep, that's what I needed. Right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I got 30 seconds. I got 30 seconds. Oh, no. Wait, 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 wait. Still got a rocket launcher. One more. I hate you. I didn't get the other. I literally had it last time, bro. Look at that. Ugh. Man. Right, okay. Stupid, dumb mission where we go over to the chemicals and we go knock this out. Fine. Fine. If this is what it will take to make my... What is this? Whoa! Kind of regret smacking it a couple times, you know what I'm saying? How am I supposed to... Wait, hold on. Oh, I get it. I gotta roll down to the boat. Roll it down to the boat, isn't it? We got the blues on the run. Roll it down to the boat, isn't it? It's about to be a barrel of entertainment. Destroy this. Okay. I mean, hey. I don't ask questions, right? Unless the big bomb gets stuck. I'll hit whatever I want to. God! Maybe I won't. You can never tell what you're gonna do when you have a bomb of this magnitude, which is really big. Oh wow, it's not locked. Bunch of idiots not locking their stupid doors. Come here. All right, big bomb, fit. If you don't fit, oh my gosh. All right, well, hold on, really big bomb. We're gonna put little bombs. There we go. Now we can enter. Whoops, sorry about that. Oh, great. Here we go again. All right, well, cover your ears, big bomb. Here, we'll put you in the... Oh, hey, hold on. I knew it. B4 comic collection. I wonder what that's doing here. All right, here, listen. Shh, just cover your ears. This is going to get kind of loud. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, man, I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, he's scarred for life now. Oh! Well, that makes a lot more sense. All right, come on. Come on, big bomb. Ah! No, big bomb! No. Don't you worry about it, big bomb. Oh, man, this dam looks really well built, though. Ah, it's probably a goddamn. You gotta finesse it and finagle it a little bit. Oh, and the platform just kind of... Alright, well. This... Alright, well, start running. Wah! Where am I going? Oh, save me! Save me! Save! Ah! Ah! Oh. Am I dead?
3 hours later.
Ah!